You're right. There is a bill in the U.S. House of Representatives, H.R. 7521, that could lead to a ban on TikTok. The proposal stems from concerns about user data security and the app's algorithm potentially being influenced by a foreign entity, ByteDance, the Chinese company that owns TikTok. Here's a breakdown of the situation. The bill, H.R. 7521, proposes a ban on TikTok unless ByteDance sells the U.S. operations of the app to a buyer approved by the U.S. government. This aims to ensure user data isn't accessible to China and that the algorithm isn't manipulated. Censorship concerns. Critics of the bill argue it restricts free speech and sets a dangerous precedent for government intervention in social media platforms. It's important to note that the bill has passed the House but is still pending action in the Senate. So, a complete ban on TikTok isn't certain at this point.